Hey everyone, today I'm doing a Valentine's collaboration with Claire's Crafty Corner. The link will be in my description box. There are lots of videos. I'm going to be using Resin Rocker's Quick Drip UV Resin. The colours I'm using are Red Rum Red, I love it, Potion Purple and Tickle Pink. Next up, I'll be using Let's Resin Neon Powders in pink, red and purple. I didn't use the white one in the end. And of course, this sparkly pink glitter from Hemway. I need to make small hearts, so I use these molds. Going to make different sizes and colours. I am in love with these UV resins from Resin Rockers. They're brilliant. Gorgeous colours. You're going to love them. With the neon colours, I mixed them with some J Addiction low viscosity UV resin. Just add a little bit of resin and an even tinier scoop of powder. Mix it in. Make sure that all the powder is well mixed. Once I filled my mould, I would give it a quick zap under my lamp, demold them and put them under the lamp again for about 3 minutes. That way I could continue filling up the mould, saving time. Once you feel you have enough, go over the ones that you have uneven edges with a scalpel. Be careful not to cut yourself. Looks like I'm cutting potatoes. To stick down the hearts, I'm going to use this little Let's Resin UV resin and its torch. Here comes the tricky part. Add a small tiny dot of UV resin. If you have short fingers like I do, use a tweezer so you can get right in there. Use the torch to cure it. Just zap it for a couple of seconds. Continue doing so till you're happy with the amount. Be careful to not dislodge the ones you already have in place. Once you're done, give it a full complete blast under the lamp for a good 5 minutes. I will be using Let's Resin Deep Pour 2:1 by volume. So I need 360 ml. Therefore, with the calculator, I divided 360 into 3. I used a timer to make sure I mixed the resin for 3 to 4 minutes approximately. Wait! I nearly forgot the glitter. Duh. This part is optional. You don't have to put the glitter. I did. Probably wouldn't have done it if I'd known now. Using a framed brush, I dabbed some UV resin into the mould. Then with a fluffy brush, I tapped the glitter all over, just a little bit, sprinkled it. Mind you, this was an experiment. Pouring time. Pour the resin slowly. I started on the edge so it would trickle down the side. Fill it up and squidge any trapped bubbles. The good thing about this resin is that it's very thin and you hardly get any bubbles. I used some isopropyl alcohol to help me unmold. And voila, this is the finished piece. I didn't drop it. So if you liked the video, please give a like and do subscribe. It does help my channel. Thanks, guys.